Brewmeister Snake Venom claims to be the world's strongest fortified beer at 67.5%. But is it any good, or is it just hype? Let's find out. Brewmeister Snake Venom is a fortified beer, which means that unlike some of the ice bock beers like Brewdog's stronger beers, where beer is brewed and then frozen and the ice is removed to increase the strength, this is brewed as beer and then ethanol is added. In fact, when you look at the list of ingredients, the top ingredient is ethanol and the second ingredient is beer, and that's it. I've never seen a beer before which has a warning saying, "This beer is strong, do not exceed 35 millilitres in one sitting." So I've got a suitably small glass, and it recommends to take it over ice, so I have some ice. Let's see how this turns out. Well, no gas to start with, so I can't see any carbonation in that at all. I'm feeling quite nervous about this. I perhaps don't have the highest expectations of it. I think it might turn out to be taste of very little other than alcohol, but I'll give it a go. I should point out I was bought this as a very generous gift on the understanding that I do a review of it, so cheers. Oh, it smells strong. If you've seen any of my previous reviews, you'll know that I have absolutely no ability to describe flavours and smells really, but it smells a little bit chemically, a bit sort of industrial. It smells, I don't know, but I'm thinking maybe it actually smells like a cheap spirit, like a cheap whiskey or something like that, rather than a beer. Oh, here we go. Right. First impressions, the reason why they say don't exceed 35 millilitres in one sitting is because I don't think you'll be able to. Although some people will take that as a challenge, I'm sure. I can't even think how to describe the flavour. It tastes certainly not like a beer. I did read a review that said it tasted quite nutty. There is absolutely zero impression of any nuttiness in this to me. So the first impression is burning on the lips and tongue, followed by a disinfectant flavour, I want to say. I guess alcohol is used as a disinfectant. I mean, am I going to finish this bottle? Certainly not in one sitting. Am I going to finish it at all? I have strong reservations that is likely. This is chilled as well, which I wouldn't normally chill a beer, but it was recommended that this was chilled as well as being served on ice. I think as much as you can do to take any flavour away from it as possible is advisable. I owe it to the person who bought me the bottle to drink at least one glass, but I've got to be honest, I don't want to. I guess if you'd asked me what ethanol tastes like, I wouldn't have known. This must be it. I can't imagine why anyone would drink that unless they had an alcohol problem, which clearly they do. So, brewed and bottled in Scotland for Brewmeister by Keith Brewery. Of course it came out of Scotland. So, my final review. Should you buy a bottle of Brewmeister Snake Venom, the world's strongest fortified beer, which I don't disbelieve? Should you buy it? No. Unless you're buying it as a gift for someone else and you want to force them to make a video of them drinking it. Cheers.